How was your day?
It was fine. Just did the same stuff I always do. Eat, paint, come here.
What'd you eat?
Pizza from one of those 99-cent stores. Charles recommended it.
That's your roommate, right?
Correct.
How has it been?
I don't know. He's kind of weird.
Weird. How?
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, what you working on?
Just another therapy assignment.
Dude, this is sick. I mean, like, I don't even know what I'm looking at, but, like, I do, you know?
No.
It's like, yeah, but it's also like, no. You know what I mean?
Not at all.
You like sushi, right?
Fucking love sushi.
Well, I didn't get sushi. I did get ramen, though, so close enough.
Why didn't you just lead with, hey, I got us ramen?
I don't know. Oh, you're gonna wash up first, right?
Yeah.
Did you ever think about selling any of these paintings?
I don't know, probably not.
Why not? I mean, make a fortune.
I don't know, man.
Okay, well, you're just wasting away in here. You might as well put them to good use.
No one would even want them.
What are you talking about?
No one would like it. You know, all this art crap, it wouldn't speak to them.
Dude, these are some of the best paintings I've ever seen. People don't have to understand it. I mean, they just have to accept it.
I'll think about it.
Virgil. Virg.
Cash and product glasses for the place I'm going. Paper bathing, making money naked like I'm making porn. Make the mayor call me money maker cause I make it for.
You fell for it again.
What are you, like 5?
Where are you headed?
Class. How about you?
I am coming back from a date.
Oh, how was it?
Good, yeah. We have a second date.
This is the girl you told me about before?
Congratulations, by the way.
Oh, what?
Well, you're like famous now.
Very funny.
I'm not joking. I think it's cool you're promoting your art. I just wish you would have said something. I didn't know that's what you wanted. And Charles managing that shit.
What are you talking about?
The picture.
What picture?
The picture that Charles posted. It's everywhere.
When was this posted?
Midnight? Did Charles not tell you?
I gotta go.
So started saying it was okay to like something. Just 1 second, guys, okay? Hey, what's up?
How the fuck would you post that?
Relax,
dude?
okay? I just wanted to see if people would like it.
Charles, I'm not playing. Just delete the photo.
I mean, you said it yourself. Who would want to see it? I just wanted to prove you wrong.
What are you talking about?
all these people are here for you, man. The star football player turned painter. I mean, for some reason your story really speaks to them. I mean, look at these comments, okay? OMG, it's so good. Does he have any more work? The way this speaks about the current political climate in the U.S. Is he single? I mean, dude, people love you. Would I let you down? I mean, I'm your best friend.
They really said all that?
It's not even the half of it.
So you really think this is a good idea?
It's like my dad always says. Everything is an opportunity, so don't let it slip through your fingers.
All right, man. All right.
I say give the people what they want, you know?
But I don't want to make anything that seems forced.
Then don't. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Okay, then how do we go about selling them?
What do you mean?
Like, there's only one of each.
Do you have like an emotional attachment to them or something?
Not all.
Okay, then we'll sell the ones you don't have an attachment to first, and that'll give you enough time to detach from the ones that you do.
Okay, but still, is there going to be like a first come, first serve? Or?
Well, to maximize profit, we'll have to auction them off. First, I think we need to get you some fans, you know, so people can spend money on these paintings.
How?
Social media. I mean, people are already eating this up. Now we have to start selling and listening to whoever's going to give us the most amount of money.
And then what?
Maybe we could have like an art show, you know, with an auction, get some real money, some real press. What do you want?
I just came in to check out my favorite boys.
We're good, thanks.
Can I come in?
Sure.
So what you working on?
Just business for my paintings.
I thought you didn't want to do that.
He did it, but after a brief chat.
We decided it's the best decision. Actually, we're planning on...
Nothing. We aren't ready to share anything yet. Sorry.
Okay, that's weird, but fine. I guess I'll head out.
Sorry.
No hard feelings.
No, it's fine. All good. All good. That was weird earlier.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what his problem is.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What do your paintings actually mean?
I don't know, I kind of just painted.
Why?
I guess it started with me playing football. I used to be good at it, actually.
No. Really? You?
Yeah, until I tore my ACL. But
I'm sorry.
that was the end of that. It's fine. It wasn't my dream. My dad, he wanted me to go to the leagues. But after years and years of physical therapy, I was never the same. Things got rocky with my parents, and one day she just...
Sorry. I didn't know that.
I don't really like to talk about it. I don't want people to think I'm some broken kid.
Yeah, I understand.
I do it for therapy.
Huh?
I've been seeing this therapist for a while, and she's actually pretty good.
That is good.
It's been hard expressing my thoughts and feelings, so rather than talking about them, she has me paint them. Honestly, it's been pretty cool.
So your paintings are your emotions.
Pretty much. It's just nice, being seen, people being able to like it. Charles has all these expectations, but for once it finally feels like I'm being heard.
Yeah, I get that. It's easy to feel alone, but I just hope. Just be careful.
How have the paintings been? Still helping?
They were.
Were?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know. I just fell out of touch with them.
Do you think it's related to your family?
I don't know. I feel like everybody wants something from me that I can't give them.
I say stick with the paintings. Try reclaiming them for yourself. Virgil.
Hey! What the hell is this? What the hell is this, dude?
What?
I said make it good, okay? People hate this.
That's what you told me.
How are we supposed to make any money?
We've been making plenty of money, and you said make them the same.
That's not what I meant, okay? You know that this is bigger than you? Like, you have a chance to do something really good here? Like, no, we have a chance to do something really good here?
Oh, good. You just said people hate them. And honestly, I'm just starting to hate them too.
Why?
Why? It's all about the paintings.
Oh.
That's all you seem to care about. You won't even let Harley be a part of this.
Harley doesn't know anything about the business, okay? And you know that you matter. It's not just about the paintings.
I don't want to do this anymore, Charles.
Oh. Virgil, just calm down, okay? Give it another try. Just do it like you've been doing.
This good enough for you?
Yes! That's exactly what I wanted. Thank you. Hey.
Hi, is Virgil home?
No, he left a little bit ago, but I should be back soon.
Can I come in and wait?
Yeah, sure.
So how's the business going?
Great, yeah, going great.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot more work than I thought it would be, but I think it's gonna work.
Hey, quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you so hell-bent on doing this?
Just thought it would be a fun thing to do.
Interesting. Are you having a party?
Yeah, I mean, it's more of a art gallery type thing. You can come if you want.
No, I'm actually really tired, so tell Virgil to have fun.
When you sleep tonight, saw the red eyes. It's the reason I lost my skies. Didn't get light, watch the day night. All you do is lie, call me back tight. Watch me realize, don't you say the same. Saw the red eyes, caught me at night. You too nice, watch your head light. Watch the red skies. See you sleeping now. Call me back tight. Saw the red eyes.
Everybody out. Now!
Dude, what is your problem?
When you sleep tonight, the red eyes. It's the reason I lost my red skies. Been getting late. Watch that night. All you dreams lie. Call the back tight. Lost the evil eyes. Don't be set sight. So the red eyes. Caught the headlights. Read between the lines. Watch your head right.
Virgil? How you been, man?
Good.
That's good. What you been up to?
Just hanging with Harley and Elizabeth.
Nice. How are they?
They're good.
Good. Look, I'm sorry about everything that happened. No, I just hope you know I never meant to hurt you.
Really?
I'm sorry. Truly, man. I mean, if you want, we could start all over. You know, we could do it right.
No.
Virgil.
I never wanted to do this in the first place. You couldn't take no for an answer, and now we're here. I know you wanted to prove yourself to your family, but you have nothing to prove to them. Stop living this facade.
Are you okay? How was it?
It was good. I realized that I don't have to change or act different. I don't have to follow a single path. That I can make my own decisions. I can be me, and there will always be someone who loves me, regardless of what I can do for them.